idea. We're gonna do a quick rev battle. Rev yours a little. Okay, so we're gonna have a rev battle, and we're gonna let everybody vote which one they like more. Fire up the 110.
Yeah, fire up the 50.
No, one at a time. A little more.
Is that what you mean?
That's what I meant. Okay. All right, that's the 110. All right, show us the 50. Okay, let's listen to it idle for a second. Okay, Tyler, give us some revs. So you don't get to vote. You don't get to vote because you're each going to think your bike's the best. So we're going to let people in the comments let us know what sounds better, the 50 or the 110.
Probably the 110.
Does CC's make up for it, or does the 50 got to throw to your sound? Let us know.
I'll throw to your sound.
Thanks for checking out this quick one.